Today I'm going to talk about creating a shared paragraph. This is useful when working to expand expressive language and conversational skills. You would want the people that you're working with to be able to type at the sentence level to express creative ideas. We begin with just what is the process. The first thing you're going to do is choose a topic, and you as a coach can choose that topic, or you can throw it to the group and they can pick a topic. This group is writing a letter from the point of view of Buck after reading The Call of the Wild. And here we'll see Dove getting started on his contributions.
Come on. Finish. Go.
I'm showing you in the reflection how he's accessing the board. Unfortunately, you can't see the display.
Go. Finish. Go. No, let's finish the sentence. Go.
Good job, Jeff. Nice.
Look at the spelling.
This is a combined effort, so each person's going to contribute a sentence. So that's where the turn taking comes in. The coach can participate, or they don't need to participate. It depends on how strong the group is on creating sentences. Sometimes the coach sentences act as a model and a way to keep the process going. You can decide that as you need to. But as the sentences are created, they create a paragraph.
I miss the warm weather in California.
That's a good one, Doe. You will have some teaching moments, and you should use those. If you set this up as a lesson, you can teach various concepts or skills. So this one is a point of view skill activity where they're writing that letter. But I could ask the students for more information. I could remind them to stay on topic. Any number of things. In this clip, you'll see that Neil creates a sentence, and I get to do a little bit of instructing here. Okay. Now, if you're writing it from Buck's point of view, let's see if we can change up some pronouns for that. Buck is amazing, and people could learn from him. That's more of a concluding. I see what you're doing. You're doing the concluding thought of the book, right? So what I wanted you to think of was a concluding thought for the letter. You see how you think that through? And in this clip, you're going to see how Neil revises things. So don't be afraid to use any and all opportunities for teaching and to see if learning is occurring, and for expanding on communication and or written language.
Yeah, amazing, and people could learn from me.
In the end, you end up with a paragraph, and I write my paragraphs on some kind of a large display for the group to see all as it kind of evolves. In this case, it's on a dry erase board, and I mark each sentence with some kind of a marking to indicate who contributed which sentences, so I can go back and review that and look at the language structures and things and expand on those if necessary. But all the students have learned to work together. They've learned to stay on topic with each other and attend to each other and to expand their language skills. So here's the end product of their letter to the Miller family. Okay, so we have, to my dearest family, the Millers. I miss the warm weather in California. My new family is very mean to me. Nobody cares about me for fear of losing my life. I do a lot of work pulling the sleds with the other dogs. I'd love if the dogs would perform as well as me. I'm amazing and people would learn from me. Miss you, Buck. And in each of the sentences, I wrote down either a D or an N based on who gave the sentence. So some of these sentences are from Dove and some of these sentences are from Neil. If you'd like more information on expanding language with augmentative communication, or how to organize an individual with a movement disorder for communication, you can go to the WAPADA website, www.wapadh.org, or contact me, Darlene Hansen, at dghansen@me.com. Thank you for listening today.